Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time feel slower. To begin, embrace novelty. When you encounter new experiences, your brain processes more information, which can make time seem to stretch out. Try learning a new skill, like playing an instrument or a new language. Even small changes, like taking a different route to work, can introduce enough novelty to alter your perception of time. This keeps your mind engaged and prevents days from blurring together. Next, practice mindfulness to anchor yourself in the present. When you are fully aware of your surroundings and actions, time often feels more expansive. Try to engage all 5 senses during routine tasks, like truly tasting your food or noticing the sounds around you. Even a short meditation session, perhaps 10 to 15 minutes each day, can significantly enhance your ability to stay present. This deliberate focus helps to slow down your internal clock. Another powerful technique is to reflect and remember. Our perception of time is heavily influenced by how many memories we form. By taking time to journal about your day or simply recalling specific details from recent events, you create more mental markers. This process helps solidify experiences, making them feel more substantial and therefore longer in retrospect. The richer your memories, the more stretched out your past will appear. Finally, live intentionally to gain more control over your time perception. When you plan your days with purpose and prioritize meaningful activities, you invest your time more wisely. This reduces the feeling of days slipping away unnoticed. Setting clear goals, whether personal or professional, gives your time structure and significance. By being deliberate with your choices, you can create a life that feels richer and, consequently, makes time feel slower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.